Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow strong St. Augustine grass. Now, St. Augustine grass is the best grass to grow in warm climates in the south near the ocean. They do really, really well. And it's a really easy grass to grow because it doesn't need a whole lot of water, and it can survive in really warm, humid temperatures. Now, to grow really strong grass, you need really good composted material or potting soil underneath the grass. So if you start your grass right on clay or right on rock, it doesn't do half as well. So make sure you've got lots of compost underneath. And the trick is to reseed. Every spring and every fall, reseed your St. Augustine grass, and that way it'll grow even more lush and do really well. And when you cut it, make sure in the spring you can cut it down to 1 inch tall, but in the summer do not cut it any shorter than 1.5 inches because it's so hot and you don't want it to get sunburned. And so just by reseeding and adding more compost every spring and fall and giving it lots of water at night and letting it dry out again, and then watering it at night and really soaking it, not just misting it, soak it and then let it dry out, soak it and then let it dry out, and you will find that you will have the most beautiful lawn in the neighborhood.